Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be installing a wig from Hurela Hair. Inside the box I received a wig, some clips, a scarf, and more. The wig that I received is a body wave 5x5 HD closure 26-inch wig. And in this video I'll be showing you guys how to install this closure and make it look like a frontal. As you guys know, I like to have my wig styled already before I place it on my client's head. So I'll be making a video showing you guys how I plucked, bleached, and styled the wig before placing it on my client's head. For the bowl cap, I'll be using a sheer stocking. So the first thing I do is cut a hole by the left side of her ear since we're doing a side part. Then I place the adhesive on the bowl cap where the lace will be placed. For the bowl cap, I only use one thin layer of glue. When it dries, use the makeup closest to your client's skin complexion and place it on the cap. When cutting the cap off, try to get as close as possible, not leaving any of it on. The first thing that you're going to do before installing the wig is make a slit between the lace and the wig where you see me cutting. That's where the sideburn is going to be on your client's head. You do this so that it can fit behind your client's ear, making it look like a frontal. As you guys can see, me cutting the side of the frontal made the wig lay flat. When I'm installing closure wigs, I always cut the lace off first because I feel like I could see what I'm doing better. After I cut the lace, I use my angle brush and make a dotted line across where I'm going to lay the lace down. Once you finish making your dotted line and cleaning your client's forehead off, you're going to use the adhesive of your choice and place it behind the dotted line. when I finish placing the lace down, I put a band over my client's forehead and let it sit for about 3 minutes. The first thing I do before styling my baby hairs is use my flat iron and swirl the sideburn so it can be easier to make the swirl. After that, I use gel and mousse to swoop them. When you're finished styling your baby hairs, have your clients help you wrap 3 to 4 wrap strips around the edges, around your client's hair to hold the edges in place while they dry. When the edges are completely dried, you take the wrap strips off, and I use my bio silk and place it on my client's hairline before I hot comb. For this hairstyle, we decided to do a left side part with some wand curls. Right now, I'm just taking down all the curls to comb them in place. And for this last step, I used makeup closest to her skin complexion, my angled brush, and a permanent marker to cover the over bleached parts, and I outlined the part to make it look sharper. This is the finished look. Continue watching for more clips of the finished look, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think.